In my today's tutorial, you will learn how to make this very beautiful and cool clay necklace. This is a simple, cute little flower necklace decorated with small leaves, and I have also added thread beads. Hi, I'm Shobori from HookedLoops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. We will take the fabric wheel molded as the air dry clay. We will take equal quantity of the resin base and mix them properly in this manner until the mixture is completely white and uniform. We will take a rectangular shaped cardboard with round corners, and two holes are already made at the top portion. I have taken small portion of the clay and spreaded it on top of the cardboard in this manner. We will cover up the entire cardboard with a thin layer of clay. Once the surface is covered up entirely with the clay, in this manner, we will just smoothen the surface with little bit of water in the fingertip. We will rub the finger on the surface until the surface and the edges are smooth enough. Make sure that the surface and the edges are smooth because it will give a good finishing to your work. When your smoothing is done, we will take a pointed object and make two holes just on top of the holes that was made on the cardboard in this manner. We will take a ruler or any clay tool like this and draw horizontal lines, horizontal or vertical lines, whatever the case may be, in this manner. We will just smoothen the surface of that cut portion using a little bit of water, and then we will make brick-like impressions, that is alternate stripes in the adjacent rows. Okay, in this manner. At the end, just smoothen the surface because we do not want any sharp cutout portion on the clay. Okay, in this manner. So now we are making a small flower. The flower is simply basic flower. We will take a piece of clay, flatten it and give it a shape in this manner. Just give a broad petal-like shape with pointed bottom and a broad top portion, and place the petals on top of each other in this manner. We will be making a total of 5 petals. So this is the last petal that we are placing. We will just take any clay tool and adjust the shape of the flower accordingly in this manner. So we are giving other flower impressions. So one flower is ready. Just smoothen the surface in this manner using a little bit of water and give the petal impressions. Place it on top of your surface. Take a small clay ball and flatten it using any clay tool in this manner. These are small leaves. Just make teardrop shaped clay pieces and place them at your desired position. Take any clay tool and give them deep impressions like this. So make as many leaves and as many flowers as you want based on the way you want to decorate your neck piece. This is the way we are making the leaves. So we are making another flower in the same way as we made earlier. Just place the petals on top of each other at the joining portion. As you can see, I don't use any kind of petal maker or petal cutter or leaf cutter. I give the shape using my fingers. We will give the proper shape of the petals using any clay tool of your choice or leave it as it is. We will smoothen the surface as earlier in this manner and give them petal-like impressions using clay tool. Make any flower of your own choice and decorate your neck piece accordingly. Place it on top of the surface and slightly lift up the petals in this manner to give a realistic kind of effect. Make a small bud, place it at the center and just press it with any round clay tool in this manner. So my entire clay decoration is done. I made small buds as you can see and made holes inside them using any pointed object in this manner. So decorate your neck piece accordingly and let it dry for at least 3 to 4 hours. After I allowed it to dry for 3 to 4 hours, it hardened up and then I started painting on it with the white colored acrylic paint. The white colored paint will act as a primer for the paint we will be using later on. After the white colored painting is done, just wait for some time and then paint with your own desirable colors. And now we will start painting on it. Now the painting is based on your choice how you want to decorate your neck piece. It is completely based on your own imagination. You can paint it in the same manner as I am doing. And I will meet you at the end of the painting. As you can see, the painting is nearly done and we are doing a little bit of finishing and the shading part and the minor detailings that are left. We will allow it to dry completely, and when it has dried up, we will add a layer of wood gloss on top of it to color protect it and give it a glossy effect. The wood gloss I am using is Dendrite Woodshine Wood Gloss. It has a yellowish tinge, so it made my work a little bit yellowish. However, it is looking good. We will pass a cord through the holes that we made at the top portion. I have made the cord using DMC thread and I have just done crochet chains to make the cord. Okay, pass the other cord through the other hole and then we will just decorate our neck piece with the thread beads that I made. Tutorial is also available in my channel, so check them out. Pass the thread beads one by one and complete your neck piece, and our beautiful clay neck piece is now completed. It is looking beautiful, colorful, bright and really classy. I hope it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. And thank you and have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.